Hello, what is going on, everybody? This is Q back again for another Dead by Daylight video. I am sorry for the lack of uploads for about the past week. I was spending a lot of time with my family, and specifically my little brother, because his birthday was, I think, now about 2 days ago. But I've been spending a lot of time with him, been doing a lot of family stuff, so I'm sorry for the lack of uploads. But we do have what's going to be a back-to-back kind of episode type of series type thing where we're going to be showcasing the Chainsaw Brothers in Dead by Daylight. And if you guys don't know who the Chainsaw Brothers are, it's just obviously the only two killers in the game, with the chainsaw being Leatherface, Bubba, the Cannibal, however you know him by, and then Billy, Hillbilly again, however you want to refer to him. So today, the first episode we're going to be doing is Leatherface, the Cannibal, Bubba, because he's just the one that I prefer. I like playing him more. I think he's incredibly fun. I think all of like the insta-down killers that have like insta-down capability are fun. Even Huntress with her add-on is pretty fun, even though you can just run the one hatchet, even though that kind of sucks. But, you know, I think she's fun. And then we are basically doing a modified Bubba Goes Where Bubba Wants build. And if you guys have never seen this build, it's essentially a build based entirely around your chainsaw sweep and getting multiple survivors in one chainsaw sweep. I don't know which creator popularized this between Epidemy, however his name is pronounced, I'm not 100% sure, and Hens. I know that they both did it when the Be Smart add-on was green. I don't know who did it first. I don't know, but I know that I personally got it from Epidemy through watching his Instagram Reels and everything, YouTube Shorts and such, and that's where I got the idea to do this build from. But mine is slightly modified. I do have the obvious Bamboozle and Infectious Fright, and then obviously the two add-ons, the Eerie Flesh add-on and then the Beast Mark add-on. But I replaced two of the perks, which he would use, the one Singularity perks that makes you slow down. I don't actually know what it's called, and then Corrupt Intervention. And I just replaced those two with Barbecue and Chili and then Eruption. Because, one, don't have Singularity, don't have his perks, two, and I also just don't like running Corrupt on this build. I run Corrupt on a lot of builds, so running it on another build is just kind of boring to me. So yeah, today we have a showcase of this build, this kind of modified Bubba Goes Where Bubba Wants build, so I hope you guys enjoy. I do get, I'm not gonna lie, I do get pretty irritated in the middle of the match because I'm missing a lot of chainsaw sweeps and everything, but this did turn out to be a pretty good game. But to be honest, it was a 3v1, the Rebecca left, so I mean, what more can you say? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll be back tomorrow with the Billy game, and I will be showing off a pretty interesting build that I was given and suggested to with Billy. So have fun, enjoy, and I'll come back at the end of the video to talk to you guys. The Bamboozle on that John. So she can't go through there. How? Okay. We're gonna go back over to these two. Jeez, man. The one game. It's okay. We can lock in. I just don't know how I'm getting hit by some of these. It's really confusing me. Oh, there it goes again. I literally hit the button to extend it again. This is just not going to be a good game, I can already tell. I was in the middle of a chainsaw? What? Oh, okay, dude. Like, I don't get how that's missing at all. I'm hitting the button! Like, what the fuck is going on? Like, genuinely, what the fuck is going on? Like, I'm hitting the button, dude. I don't get this shit. Okay. Like, dude, are we serious? I literally kicked it. Like, I don't get it, dude. I don't get it. Like, I literally have a full few, like, multiple rounds of good games, and now I'm getting hit with this shit. Okay. Middle of a chainsaw sweep, somehow still not hitting the fucking pallet break, but okay. Okay. I guess she just has better ping, bro. Her ping is just better. I don't know what to say. Okay, well, either way, that's a 1 kill, at least. I don't even know what my 3-gen looks like, man. Jeez, man, that beginning of the game was not doing good for me, man. Like, I was rough beginning, bro. Rough beginning. Okay. Oh my god, there's actually no way that hit me. Or I hit it. It's the first time I've hooked this fucker, too. Oh, here's the Rebecca. And here I am back to talk to you guys again at the end of this video. As you can see, I got this nice little clean double chainsaw sweep down here for the ending of the game. Now, if they had a fourth, they probably would have won this game. Honestly, I did not play too good here. I made a lot of mistakes with that chainsaw sweep that I got frustrated about. That's my own fault. I need to improve my skill with this character a little bit. I kind of just play him a lot for fun, but keep an eye out for the second part of this little kind of mini-series we're going to do where I play Billy, and then maybe even like a secret kind of nice little third video where I compare the two in a very formal type of video. And also look out later today for another video from me where I'm going to be outlining kind of the content that I want to expand to onto this channel. But I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and stay kind, my people. See ya.